everybody, welcome to Wull's Wheels. In this video we're replacing this old fog lamp lens down here with an entire new unit. Nice and shiny, isn't it? So the lens is hidden behind this plastic cover just here, and to get that off we need to take out these little 3 torque screws here, get them out so we can get this cover off and have a look at how to get this off. Taking off the plastic cover has now left us with a good view of the lens and all the fixings holding it in. So we've got 2 little crosshead screws on here which are holding it in and preventing it from coming out. Oh dear. Okay, we'll give it a different type. I'm back and I've got a drill. I'd say you're going to be quite lucky in this one because you get to see me drilling out a screw . Potentially. Yep, just very slowly. And there we go. The screw is out. So the holder, which is all this area around here, is held on by 3 little screws. So one there, one just over here, and one just on the top here. So next thing I'm going to do is just undo those to put it ready to go onto the new lens. One. And there we go. That's off the old lens unit, and that can now go onto the new one. Alright, so we've got our new lens unit here. Now we can have a go at putting this onto that. This is obviously just the reverse of what you've just done. And there we go, that's back on again. And now we can fit in the new bulb. So you've got the same as any other bulb here really, just fold the clip back. Get a bulb in here, and then hopefully not have it spring back like that. And there we go, that's that back in nice and neatly. And now what I'm going to do, using the old lens unit for reference, is wire up the new one. So simply connect your negative earthing wire to there, and that's it. And then this, your positive, just goes on like so. Right, that's all connected up. Before we go any further, because it's a bit of a palaver to get everything back off again if something goes wrong, what I'm going to do now is just quickly test it on the car just to make sure that it's all wired up correctly and that it works as it should do. So we're all connected up, let's go and give it a quick test. Excellent, success. What we're going to do, just simply put it all back together. Except it wasn't time to just simply put it all back together again. Instead, I decided to remove the other fog lamp unit first, in case any screws needed replacing there too.
Of taking it off.
Things were going smoothly with the other side, until I reached the final screw holding the black plastic surrounding trim in place. Now, this screw absolutely refused to budge no matter how much twisting of the hex key occurred. And so it went on, and on, and on, even with vast amounts of WD-40 and varying degrees of intelligence applied. After being screwed over for the past half an hour by this tiny hex-headed inconvenience, it gave way and the trim was free. This then allowed me to vent my frustrations through two simple words.
Finally.
As with the unit on the other side, it was now time to remove the screws on this one. The first screw came out easily, but the second one? No. That remained stuck in place. Having tried to unstick it with yet more WD-40 and more tools with no success, along with having had enough of stuck screws, thanks to the trim holder hex screw, I got the drill out once again to remove it entirely. This is why I didn't go off to get another screw earlier for the other side of the car, just in case this exact thing happened.
It's bloody working now. And finally, it comes off.
Something isn't right here. Socket plugged in firmly, it now works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Having found screws to replace the ones that were drilled out, it was now time to put it all back together again. Finish it off by wiping away any excess grease that there may be. Obviously you want your car to look good. Time to test them both in action. Ta-da! The fog lamp lens units have now been replaced on the Fiat and they look absolutely fantastic. I mean, look at the difference it's made. You can see that already visibly on the camera. Anyway guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like. If you want to, feel free to comment down below. If you want to see more of this kind of content, please remember to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Farewell.